Hello, I am Vicky Manitou Okas and welcome. I am glad you could join me today. Uh, I am doing a really fun project for the next workshop in Delectable Tiny Gardens. I am just starting up my personal apartment-sized worm composting system. I have done worm composting before. The last time I did a worm compost, it was on a farm scale for my greenhouse operation, but this time I am setting it up in very small scale. So I went and got my worms on a warm day this week and put them in a holding container to get them ready for the workshop to show how to set up a small scale worm composting system that was developed by Christina Hansen, and this is the system that I am using for the small scale. And so we're going to do this, and hey, I invite you to join me and watch this short little video as I feed the worms to get them ready for the workshop on February 21st, and then come join us. Hey, it has been really cold here for a while, but this last week I got some nice weather, so I went and got the worms for the worm composting workshop that I'm going to be hosting on February 21st at Delectable Tiny Gardens. And so I've got them in a temporary container and they seem to be happy. So I'm right now experimenting a little bit with the worm culture. I use Christina Hansen's method for apartment scale worm composting, and for the class I will be showing how to set up the worm culture and how to get your worms started. But hey, they are really happy, so they are in this little container. Right now they're hiding. Oh, looky there. So I'm going to mix in a little. I have salad for lunch, so I'm going to mix in a little bit of the salad so that they have some food. And put the lid back on, and we will cover everything about that I know about composting with worms on a small scale on February 22nd, or I'm sorry, February 21st at Delectable Tiny Gardens. And if you're seeing this after that time, that workshop will be posted online in the classroom at Delectable Tiny Gardens. Anyway, I am so happy to share this with you. I am excited, and it'll be fun. So come and join me at Delectable Tiny Gardens, and yeah, we're going to have some fun. It's getting my hands dirty. All right. At any rate, hey, like, subscribe, and come join us.